Bon and Bears, it's me, Miss Cochran. How are you today? Today we are going to talk about the letter V. This is the letter V. V makes this sound. Can you do that with me? You're gearing up your motorcycle, ready to go. Do you know some things that start with the letter V? We have, say them with me. Volcano, vase, vampire, violin, van, vulture, vest, volley, and volcano. Those are things that begin with the letter V. Here's some things around your house that you might find that begin with the letter V or the V sound. We have vans, vegetables, my favorite, vacuum, a vine, a van, or a volleyball. Today we're going to write the letter V. This is our letter V page. V is for van. Can you say that with me? Van. So go ahead and get your utensil for writing, and we're going to make the letter V together. Can you make a V with your fingers like this? I can make a V with my hand. Can you make a V in the air? Slide down, slide up. That's what we're going to do to make our V. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to slide down, slide up. Slide down, slide up. Slide down, slide up. And slide down, slide up. You can color the van any color you want. I want you to color some exhaust back here because I want you to imagine that van going, it's ready to go. It has a whole bunch of kids ready for school. They're very excited. So today we talked about the letter V. V is for van, volcano, vacuum. All right, so we have our letter V page. You can draw that letter V. And then on the back, if you guys would like, try to think of something else that makes that V sound like van. I'm going to draw a V on the back. Slide down, slide up. And I'm going to draw another object that begins with the letter V. I'm going to draw a volcano. Here's my volcano. V is for volcano, van, vine, vegetables. What can you come up with that begins with the letter V? All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Have a wonderful day. Bye.